Once upon a time, a lone warrior roamed these forests. After traveling to distant lands for many years in search of a worthy opponent, he returned home with many more fights under his belt, but his main endeavor still remained fruitless. Upon his return, he is horrified to find his homeland in ruins and the forest of his youth burned to ashes, practically razed to the ground. He rushed to the one space in the forest he hoped was still safe, the very soul of the forest, the tree of life. When he reached the spot, he found the tree of life withered and weakened, alive, but just barely.
My child of the forest, welcome back. It is unfortunate that you returned to us at such a terrible time, but your arrival is fortunate as we need a warrior like you to save us. Something has greatly aggravated the dragon that resided beneath this forest, and he has risen from his underground abode, immensely angered. I know not why, but he is on a rampage across this very forest that has been his home, and is slowly burning me down, part by part. You must save me and save this forest.
The warrior left the Tree of Life in search of the ferocious dragon, with an agenda to put a stop to this menace. He met the creature in a far-flung corner of the forest, setting the trees ablaze. Unable to bear the sight of his homeland being destroyed, he launched an attack on the dragon. It seemed to him that he had finally met the worthy opponent he had originally left home in search for. He finally vanquished his enemy. As he turned away, the spirit of the dragon arose above him.
Child of the forest, welcome back home. I'm greatly indebted to you for saving my spirit. There have been many invaders in this forest who are looting our riches. They disturbed my peaceful abode beneath the ground. Being trapped in the body of a dragon, I reacted the only way I could and ended up burning the very forest that is my home. You have set me free from that destructive body, and for that I thank you. I do, however, have a favor to ask of you, great warrior. Help me in my mission to rid this forest of these invaders. Let me reside in your sword, giving it the strength of the forest to cut through anything, and together we can win our forest back.
With the forest spirit by his side, the lone warrior went back to the village he grew up in. He found his own people bound in shackles and living in abject poverty and misery.
We are now slaves to these invaders with their strange machines. We spend our days digging for gold and still have barely enough to survive on. He beats us and tortures us if we don't listen. You must find out a way to save us.
My people, fear not. You shall be persecuted no more. I shall free you from your chains.
With a vow to save his own people, the warrior went to confront the tyrannical miner. While his weapon, with the spirit of the forest in it, served him well, the warrior's body remained his only weakness. He fell to a bullet wound. The forest spirits, feeling the pain of their dying child and protector, came to his rescue and healed his wounds, giving him the strength to fight the remainder of the battle. With the evil invader now vanquished, balance is restored in the forest and the jubilant villagers celebrate their hero.